Welcome to the Bitcoin Sage Show. I'm your host, Patrick Wagner. This is episode number 2. We're going to talk about the Winklevoss ETF, some Bitcoin price action, as well as some exciting stuff happening with Ethereum. So let's get started with the Winklevoss ETF. Last week, as you might know already, the SEC rejected the ETF's proposed application. And most of it was rejected because of the BATS exchange application, which specifically has some surveillance sharing agreements that are required. And in quotes, what they said was, significant markets for Bitcoin are unregulated, unquote. And we all know that and understand that. And I think that's actually pretty reasonable of an expectation for the SEC being a US regulator. The Bitcoin price did see a huge drop, an 18% drop at the time, but then quickly bounced back within the same day. Some other exciting news on Bitcoin transactional volume in 2017. We've now reached $260 million per day in transaction volume, $180,000 in volume per minute. That's up 55% from 2016 and up 118% since 2015. So the Bitcoin was on a tear all the way up until the announcement or of the rejection of the ETF proposal. It got up to 1280 US, dropped down to 1100, and then bounced back up to 1258. Has since dropped down to 960, and as of this show is around 1056 and climbing. Something that's really gotten me excited has been Ethereum. I've been watching this very carefully and also doing some investing in it as well, but it's been on a tear since mid-February from around $13. It's recently peaked at $44, so almost tripling in price. On Friday, it reached $44, dropped on Saturday to $32, and as of the taping of this show is at around $39.88 US. So some exciting stuff happening. In Ethereum, it's the Ethereum Alliance. So there's a lot of volume, new volume and investment that's happening. So there's a shift that's happening because of the rejection of this ETF, the Winklevoss ETF. I think there's some money flowing out of Bitcoin and moving its way into some of the other altcoins. I think the bulk of that is being seen by Ethereum, but there's also the Ethereum Alliance that's doing quite a bit of investing at this time because we're seeing incredible transaction numbers happening on Ethereum, it being the number one programmable currency right now. So check back next week with some other exciting news. Have a great week.